Hi everyone. This morning for breakfast I'm going to make double dip French toast. This is an idea that Dave came up with, so let's see if it works. What do we need for double dip French toast? We need bread, eggs, and cinnamon. We'll need a toaster, a dish to mix the eggs up in. So let's begin. So take your eggs. I'm probably going to use 8 or 10. You can add a little bit of milk. I sometimes do, but for this one, I think it'd be better to have it thicker for what I'm going to do. Then whisk up your eggs really well. I'm going to be using a Fisky. That's combination fork and whisk. And set that aside. Then take your slices of bread, put them into toast. As many as you plan on making. I'll be doing 8. And set these aside. Oil your griddle a little bit and preheat to 325 up to 350, depending on your griddle. So my griddle is preheated. We'll take a piece of toast, dip it in the egg mixture, and lay it on the griddle and cook it like you do regular French toast. Now I'm going to show you what they look like. And as you can see, some of the egg mixture has gone into those little bit of holes. You won't get it to look all even like the top of this right here, but it's still done. It just looks funny. When they're done, take them off the griddle, set them aside. We're not done with them yet. So while we're letting those cool, I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon to my egg mixture. And just mix that up. Then take your cooled French toast, the first batch that we did, and repeat the process. Dip it in the egg mixture. That's where the double dip comes from. And put it on the griddle. And repeat that until they're all done. So here is the double dip French toast. Rounding out the meal is bacon. Dave will butter it and put syrup on it to his liking. And we'll also give a taste test to the Canadian maple syrup that Jamie sent us. So let's see what Dave thinks. Well, there you go, your creation.
Oh, this is my...
Your double dip French toast.
Okay.
So.
Goes with my zombie t-shirt.
And that's the Canadian maple syrup that Jamie sent us. Okay. So you can do a review on that.
All right.
You can butter your bread first.
Oh, yeah.
So tell me, how did you come up with this idea? I'm just curious.
Well, to me, toast tastes better than just plain bread. So I was thinking, since kind of like brown is flavor from bread to toast, that it might work for this. Just
okay, so what about the double dip part?
More is better.
Hopefully.
And it might be just as good single dipped, I don't know. But I guess we'll have to try it single dip too at some point. But for me, this looks really good. Real Canadian, grade A, amber rich taste, and yeah, okay. Real Canadian syrup from Canada. Thank you, Jamie.
And we needed syrup. We was out of it.
We did. That came at a good time. I think this, it changed, toasting it first, I think changed the texture just a tiny bit.
For the good or for the bad?
I don't know, but it sure tastes good.
And the syrup?
Yeah, the syrup, let's see. The syrup is very good too. So this is just a all-around thumbs up.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.